Good morning, guys. Praful here. Welcome back and thanks for joining in. Today is the 5th of January and today is the Wednesday ahead of the first weekly expiry. And the markets are currently halting at the higher levels. The 17,826, which was the yesterday's high, it is being trying to be taken out like multiple times. All the three candles in the first 15 minutes have been like pull pin bars, and there has been a good buying pressure at the bottom. So if at all we start breaching that level, then probably these 17,900 calls would be of a great threat to me. So, looking at my positions, all my puts are at 17,650 and my calls are spread across 1700 and 950. I'm gonna be waiting somewhere around 36, 37 levels to take these calls away and push it to 17,950. So that would be the adjustment. And the idea is to just take the risk off as much as possible. Only once it becomes like absolutely necessary that the risk needs to be taken in the upper side, only then the risk needs to be taken, or else it will be just a plain and simple risk off mechanism for the day. And the puts have suddenly crashed a lot in value, and that is why, like, even though these calls are kind of blowing up, so it's kind of they're still holding up. So around 37 is the place where I'm going to be calling these calls, taking these calls away and moving it to the next strike. Look at this instance. So we almost dipped by 80 points, right? So 830 से लेके 750 तक 80 points यूं dip हो गए थे, and I don't want to get stuck in those crosshairs. Definitely I don't want to. And don't look at this MTM. यहाँ पे 31 के इसलिए दिखा रहा है, it's because of my covered call का loss. एंड कवर्ड कॉल आप देखोगे तो 100 रुपीज में जो मैं 17,300 कवर्ड कॉल शॉर्ट किया था, इट इज नाउ ट्रेडिंग एट 513. वहीं से मेरे को 41,000 लॉस हो रहा है. बट उसको मैंने मैनेज करने के लिए मैंने क्या किया है, आई हैव शॉर्टेड सम पुट्स एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी गेन्ड समवेयर अराउंड 25,000. मैंने ऑलरेडी रिकवर कर चुका हूँ कल और परसों. एंड अगेन आई हैव अनदर 45 पॉइंट्स, अनदर 4,500 रुपीज है, और कल आके और मतलब एक 10,000 रुपीज में रिकवर करूंगा. So in that way, I will recover pretty much everything that this is the loss this is giving. So last में आके मतलब हो सकता है कि मैं एक 5,000, 6,000 या even 10,000 रुपीज भी मतलब इस वीक के कवर्ड कॉल में अगर मैं लॉस भी लेता हूँ, it's simple. I'll be getting a good premiums for the higher level calls in the next expiry, that is 18,100, 18,200 का calls मुझे अच्छे premiums में मिल सकते हैं. I can short that. So it's just a matter of time. It's just like notional loss बोल सकते हैं ना, it's kind of a notional loss. So nothing to be worried about this. तो अगर मार्केट कल 18,000 भी पहुंचता है तो आई हैव नथिंग टू बी स्केयर्ड ऑफ, बिकॉज मैंने प्लान बना के रखा है. इवन मार्केट 18,000 भी जाता है ना, तो दिस विल बी गिविंग मी हाउ मच लॉस एंड टू मैनेज दैट, लाइक हाउ मच आई कैन रिकवर. एंड वो रिकवर होने के बाद में कितने प्राइस पे मैंने नेक्स्ट वीक पे मुझे शॉर्ट करना है. आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक आई हैव प्लान्ड एवरीथिंग. इट्स जस्ट दैट हो सकता है कि मतलब मेरे को प्रॉफिट आना 1-2 हफ्ते लेट हो सकता है, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट इट्स कंप्लीटली वेल विद इन कंट्रोल. लेट्स से मैं अगर मैं पुट्स को शॉर्ट ना किए हुए, अगर मैं मतलब कल और परसों अगर मैं पुट्स को शॉर्ट नहीं किए हुए पूरा इसको लॉस भी छोड़ता, then also I wouldn't be at a loss because my position would have gained, my holding would have gained an equal amount. क्योंकि निफ्टी का और बैंक निफ्टी का मेरे पास जो होल्डिंग पड़ा है, that would have equally gained. So that's why there is absolutely no risk even if I take a loss from this position. But the idea is इसका जो लॉस हो रहा है ना, उसको हमें कैसे मैनेज कर सकता हूँ by using time decay and by using the other leg, that is the put option. So that is the thing. I'm going to make a separate video on how to manage your covered calls, definitely. But आज इसके ऊपर ज्यादा बात नहीं करेंगे. And looking at the premiums, yes, these call premiums are trying to move higher and higher. And मुझे क्या है ना, like this is the place like where people get confused, right? So there is a V-shape recovery and यहाँ से अगर breakout होता है तो चांसेस आर ये ब्रेकआउट फेल हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे जाके फिर से वापस ये रेंज में फंसेगा या सडन एक स्टीप सेल ऑफ भी आ सकता है. बट लेट्स से मार्केट यहाँ पे कंटिन्यूसली एक छोटी रेंज पे मतलब एक हाफ एन आवर 1 आवर यहाँ पे मतलब ट्रेड किया इतना छोटी रेंज पे, उसके बाद ब्रेकआउट होगा, देन वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट अनदर ट्रेंडिंग डे टुडे. बट अगेन everyone is expecting some amount of profit booking at the higher levels because 17,800 was definitely a resistance. 17,600 was supposed to be a resistance, but it got taken out just like butter. मतलब ऐसे यूं मक्खन जैसे वो पिघल गया अब रेजिस्टेंस, और यूं नीचे आ गया मार्केट, आई मीन यूं ऊपर चला गया मार्केट. एंड 17,800 is also been decisively taken out and we are like constantly trading somewhere around 17,820, 830 levels. So that is why this range is very important. तो जब तक इस रेंज के अंदर फॉर लेट्स से लाइक फॉर द नेक्स्ट हाफ एन आवर ये ट्रेड करेगा एंड देन ब्रेकआउट देगा, देन दीज कॉल्स विल बी एट रियल थ्रेट. Okay, time's close to 1 o'clock, 12:50 to be precise, and the market has been like constantly trending, and the put sides are super reactive whenever the market comes down, and the calls are again like they're gaining back in value when the market shorts up. So even the pullbacks are not giving us any fruit, considering the fact that the calls are cheap and not expecting much of an upside. And we were cost to cost and we are down by around 2 points now. I've increased my quantities to 2500 और 500 10 lot add किया है मैंने. And the idea is the mark to market, I mean the stop loss for the day is somewhere around 15k. So 15k अगर reach होता है तो without any questions asked, I'll be completely cutting out the position. So I'll be and once the 18,050 में I don't think there will be any premium left in 18,050. 18,050 पे भी सिर्फ क्या 11 रुपए बचा है. So the idea is to wait till this 18,000 call go to somewhere around 24, 25, and from there onwards just like take the risk off and sit on that 18,050 call. And I've already moved my puts to 17,800, so which is I've already been very close to the markets, and I don't want to take any additional further risk. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. All right, what a day we had. So we have been in a constant uptrend, constant uptrend. Like if you look at this, just to give a perspective, from 17,200 in just a matter of 4 days, we have rallied more than 750 points. That's almost like 5%. I felt that there's absolutely no decay, and of course, I made a couple of executional blunders as well, and I exited not at a very great time. So I booked a loss of around 1,700 यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, and यहाँ पे I think we made a profit of 3k. Yeah, around 4.5 5k. I have booked a loss, and because from this point onwards I'm not finding it very attractive to sit on the trade. That's mainly because even now I feel that the option premiums are not that great, and अगर हमने यहाँ से फिर से एक breakout ले लेते हैं, then it's gonna be very difficult for us to manage. And मैंने position size को बढ़ाया, ना मैंने hedges buy करके additional quantity add किया, ना मैंने कुछ aggressive stance लिया. यहाँ से जो breakout आया ना, इस point से जो breakout आया, and in this move I went to almost like minus 20, minus 22, minus 23k mark to market. From that point onwards I decided to close the position when I reached this point, because this is the place like where I thought, okay, the risk to reward is not that great to sit in the position. And कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ खास नहीं था, मतलब सेम पोजीशंस ही थे. 18,050 पे मेरे सारे कॉल शिफ्ट हो गए थे, एंड पुट्स को भी मतलब मैं थोड़ा ऊपर लेके आया था. And that's about it, because just because the markets are not exactly, yeah, just because the markets are not too conducive to trade, because जब short covering moves आती है तो of course the call side premiums just spike badly. And the thing is, like whenever the short covering moves come, people do tend to call the tops, and whenever they call the tops, so even a small pullback, थोड़ा मतलब नीचे की तरफ pullback आता है, so in those times the call should ideally lose the value. But आज surprisingly the calls were holding on to the value. Only in the last 40 minutes or something the calls were not gaining much of the value. But apart from that, throughout the entire day there was not much contribution from the calls, and the calls still held on to the value. And the puts were super reactive towards the downside. मतलब थोड़ा भी pullback आ जाता था तो the puts were just spiking like anything. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for the expiry trading, and I hope you guys had a good trading session. Bye bye.